Hello, my name's Ian. Today I'm fixing up my Garmin. The area that holds the wrist strap has two little plastic latches, one of which has snapped and the others are cracking. So I'm going to show you how to repair small hinges, such as these, using JB Weld. Tools I'm using for this project are some 15-minute JB Weld. I've got a little set of needle files to file away any excess JB Weld afterwards. I have some sandpaper to rough up the plastic areas the JB welder is going to be put onto in order to bond better, so it doesn't just sit mostly unimpeded to a smooth surface. So you rough up the surface so that way it sinks into the cracks and has a better mechanical bond. I'm using a Q-tip to mix it and to put it on there. And then I have an X-Acto knife and some masking tape. Masking tapes to build small little dams, so that way I'm not just getting JB Weld all over the place. And also so I have something to mix it on top of, because I'm just using a little bit. So you can just put it on some tape, throw it away afterwards. So what I'm repairing is this little area right here that retains my wrist strap, and there's also miniature cracks on all the additional points on the opposite side as well as right here. So I'll just be going over these areas with JB Weld. So the first step is to rough up the area with some sandpaper. Now, I know what you're thinking, and yes, that is a lot of tape, but tape is cheap. Out of production GPS devices are not. Okay, so now it's about a week later because I had other stuff to do. I've applied the epoxy to all four corners just to reinforce them for the future and to fix the two that actually did have cracks. And now I'm going to file and just kind of clean up the areas so it looks nice, and it should be good to go. Okay. Well, I think I'm done. All my hinges are covered and they're all smoothed out and not rough, and I don't have a bunch of tape everywhere. So, yeah. Cool.